guys, so I ended up getting some bundles and a frontal from Asteria hair because I was like, look, I can't do this blonde on my own. So I got them ombre. Once the wig is made, I think I'm gonna like add some highlights and stuff and just kind of customize it a little bit more so the blonde, because I don't really care for, like, it's not that I don't care for the ombre, but the ombre is a good start to what I actually want. I want highlight. I got a 14-inch frontal, 16-inch bundle here, 18-inch bundle, and then a 20-inch. I'll open one of the bundolinis so you guys can see how they look. Obviously, I got the body wave. The hair is super soft. The coloring is nice. I'm going to tone it. I'm so excited. So it could be ashy. So yeah, I'm super stoked about this. So I'm happy like the bottom pieces will have all of the dimension and whatever, and then I'm gonna do like some highlights and stuff throughout like the top and just add some more color, and then I'm gonna tone it and it's gonna be fabulito. At least I'm praying for it. So yeah, this is what the hair looks like and it's super pretty. Hello my loves, I'm back. My wig is complete. If you did not know, I wanted to go blonde for my birthday and I bought some Ali Pearl hair to dye because I was like, I can do it. But then I got scared, so I ordered some pre-ombre bundles. Here we go, and I have my sister make my wig. Thanks, Mom. You welcome, girl. A sister if I've ever seen one, okay? Because every time I try to make wigs, it's basically gonna fit our dog's head. But when she makes them, they come out perfect. Like, y'all, this wig is sitting already, and I don't even have a band on it yet. So, I want to do like the two little middle part pieces, dye blonde, and then I'm doing a test strip of the Manikin Ultraviolet with the Cantu Shea Butter Sulfate Free Hydrating Conditioner to see if it'll tone the hair in a nice tone. My sister was like, just try it first, even though we watched like several videos, because it would be my luck that my stuff comes out purple. You know what I'm saying? So I'm testing the strip out here, and I'm about to do my little pieces right here, and I just wanted to show you guys. I bleached it the other day before I went to work. So worth waking up an hour before I went to work. So that's what the wig looks like right now. Yeah, so we're gonna just get to styling her and living our best lives. I'm turning 25 tomorrow. Hey, I'm twerking, but you can't see. Hey. Okay guys, this is the test strip. I'm pretty sure you can't really tell. It is lightly pink tinted, like a little lilac. Is that how you say that color? It's like a little lilac color, but you can tell after you wash it a few times it'll come out. So when I do, I'm glad my sister told me to do the test strip. This is why you had to have, you know, siblings. Thanks, Moon. What I'm gonna do is just do a lot more conditioner and then just put in drops of the Manikin until I get like a light lavender color. Versus like, this is the actual color that it was when I dyed the piece. This right here. So it's kind of like a light, bright purple. So I'm going to definitely tone it down a lot more when I do my actual piece. I'm just waiting on this to bleach a little bit. And then I'm going to wash that out and then I'm going to just tone it and get to putting her on. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just work on my mixture while my hair is bleaching. So I'm using the Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair. It's sulfate-free hydrating cream conditioner. And in all the videos that I've watched with toning, the sulfate-free is very important. So I'm going to just put a good chunk in here because it's a lot of hair. And I'm going to just put it on with my hands because I tried to do the brush and be fancy. And let's chat, it was not worth it. So this is the Manikin High Voltage Ultraviolet. It's vegan. So the reason I had bought some Wella toner, which I need to return. But I noticed with the Wella toner, I didn't realize until after I watched several videos, you had to add bleach into it, like the developer. And I was like, ooh, child, that's a lot of processing. I don't have time for that. So when I saw this, it's vegan. You're just using some conditioner. I was like, a mood. So it's been about 45 minutes. I had to add a little bit more purple. I noticed like around 30 minutes it still hadn't given me a change in color, so I just went back in with some more conditioner, but I added a little bit more purple this time and I'm seeing the change. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it out. I'm gonna try to wash it out as good as possible so that there's no purple tint in. But yeah, we're gonna just go ahead and get this washed out. Guys, look at the color. It came out so perfect. Obviously you can see a little pink, not pink, the purple color, but I don't mind it. After I wash it maybe a third time, it'll be even better. So yeah, I'm gonna get to styling her right now. I'm super stoked about this. I'm about to blow dry it, flat iron, the whole nine, and get rolling.